What tools do you really need to carry every day to protect yourself? In this video, I'm going to show you the most simple everyday carry setup and tell you about some tools that you probably haven't thought about that can save your life. Let's do it. What is up, guys? Will Workman here with Workman Protection, here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like and subscribe down below so that we can get this content past the algorithm. Let's jump right into the most simple everyday carry setup. And be sure to stick around to the end because I guarantee the last one is something that you've never thought about, but you absolutely need. You could die without it.
Good Lord.
So let's jump right into the obvious, the gun and holster setup. Now I carry a Glock 19, not because it's the best or the smallest or the easiest to conceal, but because I perform the best with this gun. The best advice that I can give you on choosing a gun for concealed carry is to choose the gun that you shoot the best, not the tiniest and easiest to conceal. If you cannot draw quickly and shoot it well, then you're carrying it as a lucky rabbit's foot. Sorry. Carry the one that you shoot the best. This holster is an Eclipse holster and it looks awesome. Eclipse holsters are super customizable with a ton of different colors and patterns, and they ship in just 3 days. I love this color setup because it's so different and unique, kind of like me. But this gun and holster would not conceal well without a quality belt. This is a Core Essentials belt. I've owned a ton of different gun belts and Core Essentials are my absolute favorites. They have a stiff inner core that keeps the belt really sturdy for the best concealment, and they also have a ratchet system so you can get the belt exactly to the measurement you want. Not only do they have the classic nylon belts, but they also have really nice leather dress belts, and these work the exact same way. They've got the inner core and the ratchet system. But what about when the gun is not the answer? What if you have to deal with an angry drunk or a furious road rager who would like to knock you unconscious?
I don't know what it is about your face, but I want to deliver one of these right in your suck hole.
Is there anything I can do to work on that?
No, not really. It's your face.
I carry the Streamlight Wedge XT for when I want to cause blindness for a few seconds at night. I really like this one because it's fairly minimal. It's got a clip to put in your pocket, and it's got this quick grab tab so you can jerk it right out of your pocket. 500 lumens. And POM OC spray for more long-term blindness anytime. In all seriousness, 80% of assaults are simple assaults, meaning that you cannot use lethal force. So your gun is not the answer.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
OC spray and a flashlight are great options to get someone away from you without having to put hands on them. Before we get to the last and most important thing that you need to be carrying every day, if you are new to concealed carry or you're just trying to find the best way to conceal a gun, then I want to give you something that will really help you out. And that is my free guide to concealment. It's basically everything that I wish I knew when I started carrying a gun, and I want you to have it for free. So go check that out in the description down below. So what if you show up after someone has been attacked and they're bleeding to death? Or if you have to get in a gunfight and you win, but you're hit in the process and you're losing blood fast? As much as I love to teach gunfighting, no amount of skills with a gun will help you with your injuries. You need a trauma kit. The one that I carry is the ankle trauma kit from Mountain Man Medical. It stays on my ankle anytime I'm wearing pants so that no matter where I am, if somebody is bleeding, I have the tools to help. You carry a gun to save lives, right? So why would you not carry a trauma kit that you're more likely to need than a gun? If you don't want to carry one on your ankle, at least have one in your car. My backup kit that stays in my car is the Yellowstone trauma kit from Mountain Man Medical. I'll put my affiliate link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below and comment and let me know, what do you carry every day? Until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.